have blonde hair?
I do, in fact.
Surely not.
Are they an attacking player?
Yeah.
League map standing.
Is he a forward?
Oh, no. Any chance or?
Does he have any hair?
Right, can I ask you one question? Are you Joe Morrell?
Yeah, I am.
Easiest that, easiest part.
I knew this was going to happen. That's why I wanted someone else.
Is it Aaron Ramsey?
Yeah. So do I get to guess his or is he one?
No. I win.
Joe Allen.
No. Does he play in the Championship?
No.
No.
Yeah. No, he doesn't.
Yeah or no?
No, he doesn't.
Is it Gareth?
Nope.
Oh, no.
Is it Wayne?
Yes.
Yes.
That's so annoying.
Joe Allen.
Guns.
Rambo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does yours have a proper beard?
But would you count as a proper beard? Would you say that's a proper beard? Look at that, I got a beard there. Look at that, I got hair
Let me give you
there.
an example. Rambo.
Oh, he's not got as much.
Who?
Look at
Are they a defensive player?
Yeah. Are they bald? Hello?
Mate, I was still putting him down, chill.
Are they bald?
Mate, you got to
It's
let me.
not- it's not a tough
You've got to let me put
It's
mine
not a
down
tough
first.
answer.
I'm gonna guess Ethan.
Mate, you can't do that.
What do you mean? Why?
You can't do that. Yeah, it is Ethan.
Yes.
Is it
That's
Wardy?
one up. No,
What do you mean no?
it's not
Oh, who is
Wardy.
it then?
Joe Allen.
Does he play in the Championship?
Nope.
Really?
Is he 6'3"?
I don't know.
Is it Locks?
How would you know that?
Because
How
I've
does
only
he-
got you and Locks here.
How does he know?
You Harry Wilson?
There he is. Gorgeous guy, isn't he?
Rabbi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it Guns?
Is it me?
No, I asked a question. Is it Guns?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it me?
Yeah, it was you.
Harry Wilson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who was yours?
Joe Morrell. No, you're gonna make something up now. Watch.
How is he? How have I put him down?
Champion.